What's up guys, Bobby Lewis, product trainer here at Allmoxy. Today we're going to be talking about pricing and the job statuses. There are many factors that can potentially change the price of a job or even the specific parts in a job. This tutorial will go over the pricing for jobs when the job locks in a price based on the many variables available. The first status in a job is the bid status. In Allmoxy, the bid status is considered more of a draft. In this status, the price of a product and all of the variables are subject to change. As variables in the pricing formula are changed or moved, it will affect the pricing of the products. No price is locked down in this status at all. For example, if a customer has an order in bid status and we were to change the pricing formula, then all of the products would reflect the updated price when the customer opens that order again. The presumption is that the order has not been submitted, and it will therefore be subject to all pricing changes. This way, as lumber increases, for example, you can update your price, and the orders that have not been submitted will reflect the increase. You wouldn't want a customer creating a draft, sitting on it for a year after prices have gone up, and then be able to submit it for an old, lower price. The second status of a job is ordered. Once a job has been submitted by a customer to the ordered status, then the pricing is set. New pricing updates will not be reflected on the order unless someone edits an item and then resaves. Touching or editing an item and resaving, that allows it to recalculate. Any items on the order that are not edited will keep their original price. If a customer for some reason needs to make a change to the order at this time, they can do so as long as they have not paid for the order. This is because if edits are made after payment, the price of the job would shift, causing the customer to either owe more money on the invoice or be owed money back from your company. In that case, you have to follow up and make sure payments and refunds are up to date and correct. As an employee, you can technically edit the job in any status, though we highly recommend not doing so, if at all possible, once an order has been verified. Again, the system will do its best to keep the set prices safely locked as the order is moved through all the statuses, but if you touch or edit an item on the job and hit save, you'll be allowing it to potentially recalculate the new price updates, likely changing the price of the item. The third status of a job is verified. Once an order has been moved to the verified status, then the order will be locked for the customer entirely. If you have any further questions, just let us know.